Hello students, the fourth experiment SSOS lab design, develop, implement YAC and C program demonstrate the shift reduce passing technique, the grammar rules. He has given the grammar rule and the pass sentence also he has given. So before going to the main program, just you should learn the introduction about the shift reduce passing. So shift reduce passer attempts for the construction of pass. This is similar manner like the top of passing. So the top of passing nothing but it will be create the passer tree. It will be construct. So constructing from leaves nothing but the bottom to the root. So bottom leaves to root nothing but the bottom to up. In the more general, the shift reduce with help of the LR passing, left to right passing. So what is shift and what is reduce? Shift is nothing but the moving symbol from input buffer onto the stack, and reduce is nothing but if the handler will be appears on the top of the stack, then the reduction by using the appropriate production rule done. That is, the RHS of production rule popped out to the stack and LHS production rule pushed onto the stack. That is called as reduce. So here we are using the technique shift reduce passing technique. So here in this program, so I am using the header files st.h, conian.h and string.h. So these are the familiar header files. Next I am using the int k equal to z, z equal to 0, I equal to 0, j equal to 0, c equal to 0. This is a global variable, so initialize by default setting as a 0. And next I am using the like say character a. I am using the one character a, then AC means action, ACT means action, STK means some stack. So this is modify the array size to increasing the length of the string to pass. So you can take the any array size there. And next I am using the void check. So void check is nothing but this function will be checks whether stack containing production rule which it to be reduced. So it will be checks if you are using the production rules or not. Suppose if you are using the production rule, so it will be using if it is reducing or not, it will be checks there. And next I am using the void main. This is the main driver function. So next you can use the puts, nothing but you can use a grammar. He already has given the grammar. So E equal to E plus T, E equal to E star T, E star E, E tends to E and E tends to ID. He has already given. And next after you can use this C equal to enter the any input string. You can enter any string. The later C equal to ST R alien, nothing but the string length. String length it will be returns the length A to C. And later, so we are using the string copy ACT, then shift. ACT shift is nothing but here shift is copied to the ACT to be printed. ACT to be printed means, so this is nothing but your ACT is the input string. ACT is nothing but here the action, some actions. And next after taking the action, just using the put stack input action, nothing but this will be printing the label columns name. Then next I'm using the for function k equal to 0, I equal to 0, j less than c, k plus plus, I plus plus and j plus plus. This is nothing but this will be runs up to the length of the input string. Then next after checking the input string, so here I am using the stk of I equal to a of j, stk of stack I plus 1 a j plus 1, then I plus 2 backslash of g j a of j equal to semicolon, so j plus 1 is semicolon. Here stk of I equal to a of j, nothing but the pushing into the stack. Here a of j semicolon is nothing but the moving to pointer, otherwise else it will be checks. So stk of, after checking the stk of I equal to stk of j, so it will be pushing, so it will be pushing into the stack and moving to the pointer. So once again printing the percentage s backslash of d percentage of s dollar backslash of t and then id stack a and act. This is the print the some actions. Then once again I am using the check function, so it will be calls the check function which will be check the stack whether contain any productions or not. It will be checks. After checking, once again we are using the stack function, the same the stack push function, the stack of I equal to a of j, then I automatically will be incremented the stack. Then once again that stack is moving to the pointer. Then once again there is a first, it will be only using the all the stacks containing the productions or not. Next it will be moving to the all the symbols, and next void check string copy AC reduce to E, nothing but a copy string to be printed as an action, nothing but the is a printed as action, nothing but I am using the reduce to C. And next z equal to 0, z is less than equal to c, z plus plus, nothing but the length of this input string. Then next the stack of z equal to I ampersand stack of z plus 1 equal to d. This is nothing but checking the production rules. Here it will be checking the first production rule, e equal to e plus t. So stack of z e, then z plus 1 backslash of 0. So once again it will be checks the e equal to e plus t. Okay, then next after checking e equal to e plus t, once again is checking the another production. So after checking that, here it will be checking the e equal to e plus e. First it will be checks e equal to e plus t, the next it will be checks e equal to e plus t. So once again I am using this stack as a e, so it will be checks so given grammar is correct or not. Then like once again z equal to 0 less than equal to c, z plus plus. So once again it will be checking the production rule, e equal to e tends to e star e. Here it will be checking the multiplications. So after checking the multiplication, once again the stack moving to the pointer e. After, so it will be checks the grammar, e tends to e star e, it is correct. Then once again it is checking for push checking for the next. So yes, stack of z equal to e, nothing but the pushing into the stack, and the z equal to 0, z is less than c, z plus plus is nothing but this is the length of the input string. Then later once again finally it will be checks z equal to 0 less than c, z plus plus, this is the length of the string. So this length of the string checks, so e tends to open curly braces and into bracket of e and then close curly braces. So here using, so z equal to stack of z equal to open curly braces z plus 1 e I am using here. So z stack z plus 2 the close open curly braces close braces, so into in middle I'm using E. Nothing but E tends to open curly braces, close curly braces of E. Then once again pushing into that stack. So after checking that grammar, if it is correct, so finally we will get the ID plus ID star ID. First start with, first open the terminal, type gedit filename.c. After typing gedit filename.c, just you can type the code, then save it and close it. Then later type cc filename.c, then enter. So there is a warning, there is no errors there. Then you can use /a.out. So whatever your grammar is there, automatically it will be displayed on that terminal. So you can enter the input string ID plus ID star ID. After entering, so you will get this one. The first one is the first column is the stack, second column is the input, and third column is the actions there. The first column you are using the dollar as ID, so plus ID star ID dollar means here I am using the shift operation, means shift means it will be moving the symbols. So ID, the next dollar E, so plus ID star ID dollar means reduce to E. After using reduce to E like that, so dollar E plus. So E plus means first I am using E, next I am using E plus. So here E plus, it will be using shifting the symbols ID, so automatically the plus is removed, so ID star ID dollar. So next again, once again you can shift the ID, so in the stack size E plus dollar E plus ID, so star ID dollar shift to ID. So once again you can use the reduce to E, so automatically you will get the answer dollar E dollar and reduce to E. This is our final output.